Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today come with me to get slimed. So this sliming experience is at the Nickelodeon Resort Punta Cana, and it's a cost of 59 USD per family of 5. So myself along with the other agents, we got it done, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video, right?
Tell everybody your name. Díganle todos sus nombres.
Sydney J. Yolanda.
And tell us which the most fun activity you had done on your vacation.
Character breakfast.
Oh, pajama jam.
Yes, breakfast.
Pajama jam.
Yeah, I met Patrick.
Oh yeah. Everybody, shout with me. Slime, 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 slime. Habitación 7109. Preparados ustedes son los siguientes. Room 7109. Please get ready. You are going next. Now let's meet them. Vamos a conocerlas. Díganle a todos sus nombres.
Alejandra. Roxy.
A ver, ¿qué ha sido lo más divertido que han hecho en el hotel de Nickelodeon?
Conocer a Patricio.
Wow.
Hopefully get slime.
It's slime. So everybody, shout with me. Slime, 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 slime.
Right guys, so this experience was really nice. It's basically just green water. It has no taste, it's not gooey, it's not anything. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video.